similar to the previous one we have solved with subsets 1, only difference is that must not contain duplicate subsets. So in this problem we will use backtracking, and backtracking is TFS, so we'll be very similar to the previous one, and just we need to exclude duplicate subsets. So let's solve it. List. So first we will just ignore this thing and solve it just we solved it in subset 1. And we'll call backtrack our method result new array list, then pass our nums, then our starting point, and then we'll just return our result. So this one right now we're solving just like in subset 1, and we'll gradually build our solution. So for now I'm not including this, I'm not addressing this part yet, I'll address it in a minute. So backtrack list of list integer, which is the result, then we're taking result integer current, then we are taking 0 of nums, and taking the start. So perfect. So in here we can hit our result, and we can create new copy of it. Okay, then we are going iterating over it, start smaller than nums. So basically I'm doing what we have done previously. Then from here I can add this in our current, given this num, hi. Then do the backtrack, call the backtrack method, and then send result current nums, then I plus 1. Then we'll just do the backtracking of it, where we'll just removing the last element of it. Okay, perfect. So let's address this duplicate. So the way we're going to address our duplicate, we will sort our nums, and then basically before we are adding it, we will compare the previous number with the current number, the previous one, and in that case we will be not including that. So if I not equals to our start and nums for the current is equals to the previous one, then simply just continue. Let's run our code. Perfect. Let's submit it. So time complexity in this approach, sorting is O n log of n, where n is the length of this nums array, and overall complexity in here is O of n 2 to power of n, where n is the length of this nums. So overall will be that one. And space complexity is we are using extra space where we are collecting all this nums and num values in here. So this is O of n, and also since it's a recursion, there is a call stack, so that's the height of this nums basically. So O of n.